everyone, how are you? My name is Josh and we will be making a Kleenex gun, and I want to tell you one of my favorite verse I like to share with you. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not be in want. And guys, let's get started. I will be making a Kleenex gun. Okay guys, it will be also better if you have 2 rubber bands. Okay? Now first, let's start with this. Guys. Like that. And now let's continue to do everything the same. Okay guys, you should be having this. Now, there's one open spot. Let's cover it with this, like that. Okay guys, you should be having it. It will be better if you have two of it. I forgot. It will be better if you have 2. See? Okay guys, now we're gonna be making this. So first you'll be needing one of this. Okay, now let me make it. Okay guys, I made it. Now you'll be needing this. You're gonna clip it at the front. Okay. Now you might wanna clip this as well. Oh, sorry guys, I did something wrong. I'm sorry guys, I made this one here too little short. Now let's put it on. Yes, you should be having this. Now you're gonna open it, and this will be going in the middle. This is going in the middle. Now we clip it. Sorry guys, it's a little hard. Yeah, I did it. Now you will be needing one of this and one of this. I'm gonna push this through the hole, and now back here I will clip it. See? Okay. Yeah, now you should be having this. Now let's move on to the next one. You'll be needing one of this, and one of this. Now you'll be clipping this at the first here and at the second here. And it will be also like, it should be like, no, this was supposed to be here. You'll take one more and clip it. Like that, and clip. You should be having this. And it would be good if you have 2 of them. I see. Now we'll be connecting them over at the back here as our handle to hold it. After that, you should be having this, but we're still gonna need to clip here. clip it at the last piece here. Yeah. You might want to be needing one more of this. Okay guys, we'll be making this now, and then we'll be pulling to shoot. Okay guys, first this we'll be making now. You're gonna do that, and that you should be able to have this. You're gonna take one bone, you're gonna push it through this hole. We'll be put it in it right here. A little hard. Okay, now let me put it in. Yes. You see? You should be having this, but it's a little weak. Now guys, this is the fun part. You'll be taking this off now. You're going to be putting now the rubber band, and it should be like this. Now it isn't weak anymore. Put this back on. Now you see? Now look what I can do. See? Okay guys, now you're gonna take this here and hook it. And then watch. I don't want to shoot, so I'm gonna shoot it. See? It shoots. Now to reload the gun back, you need to take the same one that you shot and just hook it at the front here and pull it back. And you do this, guys, and then it shoots. You need to just pull it. Okay guys, thanks for watching my video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. And one more thing, Jesus loves you. Bye bye.